And we're off. Dun, 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 dun.
Order filled.
Come on. Let's see an up push. Let's see it. Okay. Not there. No, not down.
Tradovate is launching some features like that this year, so or maybe this month even. So I hope we see other platforms do that. I mean, there's nothing proprietary about locking out for 30 minutes, so hopefully other platforms can do that, because that honestly is the best feature of Project X, is just be, hey, I don't want to trade the first half hour, so I'm going to lock myself out for 30 minutes. Do we still do? When have we not? When have we not done giveaways? We'll get to them, guys. We never do them in the first like few minutes of the market, guys. We're watching the price action. Very interesting 5-minute candle. I've literally seen this thing look like it's going to sell off to the lows or punch to the highs at least once in the last 60 seconds or so. Very interesting what kind of if this throws up a selling tail here. That's a pretty strong rejection. Boy, if this closes below 650, that's a very bearish sign. Bulls are going to try and take this in the last few seconds here, guys. Where does our first 5-minute candle close? I think this is bearish today. What do you say, Matt? I'll let you know at the end of the day. No, I get what you're saying, and that's a pretty bearish close to this candle. We'll see where the next one goes. Oh, yeah, guys, let's get that likes up. We're going to get those likes up before 150. I'll tell you right now, we're going to need to see at least over 300 for the giveaway. Well, another rejection of 650 would be very bearish, guys, but this is pretty erratic price action. Let's see. Basically in about a 60-point range since the New York Open. Nothing to do for me, guys, here right now. We just threw up a selling tail. This candle right now is a buying tail. Now, if we punch back to highs, that would be pretty bullish, right? If we can get back above 680 and hold and negate this selling tail, I don't see a couple orders on the overhead of the board here, guys. First trade ever on stream. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Here comes the NQ. Here's making another run. And again, if we take a look at the hourly of the NQ here, guys, the 700 area, the 680 to 700 is very important because it clears the way to punch back up to 800. How's everybody feeling so far? Nobody's chasing anything yet, right? Everybody hanging in there? This is a very much this is a dry powder kind of first 15 minutes, guys. Volume looks decent, and I'm seeing some orders on the board. We don't really have much of a direction yet. Don't trade this chop, guys. Not much on the news feed. Just hovering here at the -1 standard deviation. Again, guys, this was our New York Open right here.
Come on, man.
We're basically flat. So we're 8 minutes into the session, and we basically have not moved, but we haven't gone anywhere.
Which ones are they building, guys? Which ones are they building? Building size or sale liquidity? That is what we want to know, huh? This is what we care about.
Trade if I do a special giveaway instead of an account that you mentioned.
And not
I wouldn't be
trade
opposed to
a
that, Adam.
645.
I can tell you from experience, because I spent many years coaching traders individually and in small groups, and I think it's the best way to learn. It's also just really tough time-wise, and with our, again, my day is usually, I prep for the show, do the 3.5-hour stream. Then I usually I gotta feed cats, I gotta walk the dog, I gotta make myself lunch, I come back down here, and usually I trade the afternoon. Usually I spend about 2 hours trading the afternoon charts. Sometimes to make, yesterday I didn't make any trades, but sometimes I'll make 1 or 2 in that time, and then it's gotta get dinner ready, do other stuff around the house, and so it's really, the thing with individual coaching and mentorship is it's very effective. It's just so time consuming on both the trader and the mentor, right? And I did it, and I tried to charge as little as I could for it to people to get value for it. But it's a lot of my time. So good mentorship is a key to anything in any business, guys. Unfortunately, this is a business that's ripe to people claiming mentorship when there's no mentorship. So yeah, it's the cats that are the problem. I'll go tell them that. So cut my grass for the sun rises. Yeah, in the summer, doesn't need it right now, but again, guys, this is reason to work your tail off and get to the live program, because we got some really fantastic coaches that are a part of that, like Coach Tank and Coach Tex. Okay, finally getting this downward surge here, guys. See if we can break view up. Putting in our orb. Multi-wick rejection of this +1 standard deviation. That's a very bearish. Okay, big buy ice here in the ES. So again, we want to label that, right, guys? Because that's something we're paying attention to. So big buy ice in this area. So we're going to, it's right about here. I'm going to make this green because it's buy ice. All right, let's confirm where that was on the chart.
Actually, we shouldn't be trading this account like this.
About 69.47.
Okay.
And again, guys, these iceberg orders, I'm just watching them. I'm not trading them right now. I just want to know, we want to see how the market reacts to them. And it's like anything. It's not always going to react the same way. We just want to see if there's any statistical edge to it. Well, I want us to get, I haven't looked at the likes yet, but I'll tell you right now, we need to be over 300. Up there. I'm going to take these off for now. Declutter the chart a little bit. Wow, look at this. I swear I'm gonna mute my microphone and scream if this candle closes about like between 640 and 650 and gives us buying and selling tails. All right, guys, big order just hit the books at 650. Over 700 contracts on the board right there. That's a big order. Let's see if it's legit. Here, I'm going to bring this down so we can watch it together. This is what just hit the books here. So it's a little over 700. Let's see, as we approach it, does it fill or do they pull the order? Okay, that's a legit order. They're filling it, and they punched it through. Okay. That's a pretty bullish sign right there, guys. Somebody was willing to take a big order there. We have some overhead orders, too. We could get some momentum to the upside. Somebody really wanted in there. 680. I'm not gonna go long at 680, but I am interested in longs above there.
All right. Well, I think it's set.
Now, guys. At least a decent close to that. Don't just retrace now. Pick a fucking direction. Wow.
Stop
Okay.
building.
Big move up there. Just cleared another order.
Damn, I just took that hit for no reason.
Looking pretty decent here, guys. Just hoping for a little bit of a pullback to get long. I can't chase it now. Damn it. Really interested there. Was hoping to pull back here, grab a contract before we take down 700. Keeping a close eye here, guys. All right, I'm going to try a long here. Entries at 697. I got to see a punch up through 700. I'll give this down maybe to 70 as a stop. We got a lot of room if we clear 700, guys. Just one contract on a select funded, guys. So I'm going to let this thing go. I don't like its hesitation at 700 here.
Order filled.
There we go. There's a little punch through. Keep it going. Keep it going. Probably going to look at about 750 for a target, guys. Above 720, my stop moves to break even. I'm just going to go ahead and set this up here. Right now, my stop is at about 690. Because again, if we retrace below 700, I don't want to get caught in that mess. 1 minute 40 on this candle, guys. We need to see a strong close. Again, stop at 690 because we were up at 720. That's a 30 handle retracement, so that's more than an ATR. So if that hits there, it's a small loss, and I'm just wrong, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, 700 falls. We're in trouble here, guys. They got to get it right back up there, or they're cooked. Get another bullish surge here for the last minute. Now I'm going to get stopped out here, guys. Yep, stopped out there, tapped out. They couldn't hold 700. That's a, what we got there? That's an $140 loss. That's fine. I'm happy with that trade management.
Order filled.
Even if it runs up here, guys, I'm not letting this turn into a $600, $700, $800 loss. Again, this funded select. Oh Jesus, look at that. Where did that come from? Yeah. See, even if this goes the way I wanted it to go, guys, I'm very skeptical of these swipes. If they go back below 700, that was devious. Okay, a 430 orders went overhead. There's people playing games here. Now, I'm hands off right now. That much volume comes in like that. I'm not fucking around with it. Let's see how we react to that order. Cleared that order. That was a big order at 7:30. Yeah, I was right on direction there, guys. I just got played on the stop a little bit. I don't regret the trade management on that. I really don't. I was not going to sit there and take a big loss, but we've got some running now. Oh, I can go ahead and get that sell limit off.
Stop filled.
Another big order just hit at 62.5. All right, looks like my book map just locked. Okay, there we go. I was going to say it locked up for a minute.
All right.
Yeah, that's part of the game, guys. That's part of the game.
So far, so good.
Boy, are they going to take this all the way back? Oh, that's devious. That's devious. Wow.
All right, sorry about that. We were.
They can't. Yeah, they can't. They of course they can keep getting.
We're doing it.
They're the market makers.
We're doing it.
That was some really interesting price action, guys. Just the swipes that we saw, the big orders getting filled, and now we're running away from liquidity. That's all right. I'll take what was basically a small loss to break even trade as opposed to, would have hit my
26.
PT. No, wouldn't have hit my PT. That would have been, I would have been mad about that. Yeah, this was looking like a strong bullish move up to 800, and now we're retracing. Let's see, we've got a minute left in this candle. If it wants to push up. Really interesting that happened here, guys, is that
All right, let's see what's going on here.
Right, we started buying this up, and then this big order hit. Wow. We're gonna move this 75 around as well. There's a lot of overhead liquidity.
Huge orders out there. really sure what to do right now.
So if we put this on this one here, so we basically got this pretty good sized order at 62.50, and the one at 7.75. Got some overhead liquidity.
Okay, okay. What do you think? What do you think's going on today? What do you think? More on the upside? More on the downside? We would have left our initial trade in this morning that we shouldn't have put in. Would be nice.
Yeah, we'll see what happens here, guys. This is some interesting and devious price action. This is one of the reasons why, guys, you can't. There's no substitute for screen time. There's none, right? Like, we can look at charts in hindsight. We can talk about back testing, all that, and that's all important. That's all valuable. There is, like, the way this whole day, like this whole first couple of candles have developed, looks smooth as candlesticks. We know it wasn't very smooth price action, and it started to get wicky and move around a little bit. So this is why there's no, and I remember when I got into day trading, everyone would say to me, there's no, I say, what's the most important? Screen time, screen time, screen time. Getting the reps, getting that is the most important thing. And days like today, these opening few minutes prove why it's so important. It's not just that we get there, it's how we get there and how the price action moves. The 760 to 62 level is going to be interesting here, guys.
Well, it's punching.
So this next big order's up here at 62.
Curious, are they gathering orders up there
A little bit volume here.
to sell?
Did they pull that, or did that get filled? That was devious. A lot of games being played out there, guys. Be very, very careful. I could easily see us being at 800. I could easily see us being at 700 within the next candle or two. So just be very, very careful. So next on deck is this order up here at about 775.
I don't know, folks. What do you think? What do you think? Where are we going? What are we doing?
Bookmap doesn't work on a time frame. It's a, I mean, it has the time down here, but you can adjust it however you want. It works on basically almost a time and sales principle. take out this 775 to 780. All right, guys, we're at 213 on the likes. I need to see that over 300.
That means. What does
Got
that
your limit in.
mean?
You got a sell limit at 799. Okay. Hey, I'm rooting for us to get up there.
I guess I should have left those trades in up to 770. Damn. That's my initial target.
Really can't seem to make up our mind if we want to. Both the last couple candles I feel could be topping candles or could be continuation candles. It's again when the chart is this kind of. Yeah, it must not have the orders to get up there yet. We could be forming a really nice topping pattern here, guys. All right, guys. Well, while we're watching this price action here, it is time for the bald trader takeover of Tradovate TV. He's in the background. He's ready to go. Let's bring him on. Joey fucking Morgan.
Yo.
There he is. Man, how you going to come on bald trader takeover and wear a damn hat? What's wrong with you?
Damn, I knew you was gonna say something about it, bro. I already had the hat on, and it just I don't know, bro. We all know I'm bald. The best looking bald trader around on the internet, baby. We here.
All right, how you been, man?
Good, man. Good. How about you?
Doing good. Doing good. Got a little wicked out here a minute ago, but basically a break-even trade, so I guess I can't be too mad at that.
Yeah, you changed your background.
I did. Yeah, I'm working on a few things. I've got some interchangeable things in the background there, so I got rid of the. When I first started, I didn't have anything back there. Brett's like, just put something back there. So I put something back there, and it was going to be for like 2 weeks, and it ended up being for like 6 months. So I had to switch it up as we get ready to do the basement reno. So what the hell, I thought I'd switch it up. I've got a few different things. I put some permanent hangers back there, and I'm going to flip them back and forth over the.
Going against the trend, guys.
The next few months. So
Not usually a good thing.
I don't have like the disco club quite yet, but give me time.
It's a work in progress, baby.
It is. So how's the new year treating you so far?
We're still green.
Okay, beautiful.
We're green. We started the new year green. We were green yesterday. We're just green.
Okay. Well, green is a good color, man.
Green's my favorite
A
color.
lot of orders from this morning at 650.
That's a good thing. So
This could be
all right, man. So,
the people jumping in
is
to
the
go
winning streak still intact?
long.
The streak is still intact.
Hell yes, that is awesome to see. So you. Oh, hold on. Let me. Let me get rid of these alerts here. So I have a thesis here, Joey. And granted, I just took a small loss on a trade. Basically, I've realized that I think having hair is a detriment to trading.
I think it is. Yeah.
Because I think I think you brought this up at one point. There's the market gods up above us. There's less interference between them and what's going into our head.
Exactly. See, our brains is like a radio signal, and it receives frequencies, right? And so when you have hair, it blocks all the frequencies that are flowing into the brain, and it makes decisions a little bit more difficult because you don't have all the information. Mm-hmm. You're not receiving all the intel that your brain needs to receive to make the best possible trading decisions you could actually make.
Yeah, and don't even get me started on these guys that put all this product in their hair. That just gums it up the works even more.
Oh yeah, no, that just blocks absolutely everything.
Absolutely. So what are you looking at so far? What do you make of this early price action?
I was kind of waiting to see if Nas wants to go up to the 804.
Okay.
That's what was that? Friday's IB high. Yeah. So going to see. I want to see if we can get up there and see if we can catch a reaction. Right now, I'm not really a fan of anything until I see that level come into play.
Both the 3-minute and the 5-minute on the NQ looking a little poppy right now, so we'll see kind of where we go from there. I'd love to see a pullback down to about 700.
Mario, come on, Mario. Listen, I'm gonna get Mario to shave his head. I just know that dude has just like a beautiful full head of hair.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get him to shave it.
Challenge accepted, man. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah, so we were watching the open, and I had Bookmap open, and we were seeing some really devious shit going on with the tape. We were hitting a couple of big orders, and we were running away from some, and now again we were looking very toppy. Now we're pushing up. It was one of the things I was explaining to everybody. It's and because the 5-minute chart, I mean, it looks all right, but this is why actually being in front of your screens and screen time on a day-to-day basis is the most important thing to the learning process. And I was told that early in my career, didn't really understand it at the time. Coming from swing trading, swing trading, we study a lot, we look at a lot of charts, but we may only actually spend an hour live in front of our screens during a New York session, right? Usually in the morning.
Okay. Wow.
But
Interesting.
there's no substitute.
Starting to see that break above that. I don't like the crossover here.
Especially early in your career.
If it continues to stay above, then we'll just go ahead and get out, take the loss. If not, I'm hoping it actually drops back down. Then everything will look amazing to us, but I don't really think that that's happening right now.
100%. Ozempic, yeah. I mean, bro, the legs too. You know what I mean? The legs are an important part of the shaving.
In fact, the only thing that's allowed is beards and goats.
We're gonna need to see some continuation with the down.
I can barely pull off a chin strap, so I just rock with
I've never had trouble with the facial hair. It's the on top that has given me problems for quite some time now.
Right here is where we're gonna need to see the down push. If we don't see it,
Joe, you made Colby shave his head?
it is not looking good.
Operation are you running over there, man? Like
it's a bald cold, though. I mean,
Let's go.
Bald cold.
Break underneath.
Oh man, yeah. Well, I mean, I guess the entry is easy. You just keep a razor at the front door.
Yeah. 100%.
What's your trading strategy? I'm bald. Oh boy.
All right, so we're really testing out my camera today because I was filming content last night and I accidentally left it on.
Okay.
So hopefully my camera doesn't overheat it back. Let me turn my fan on. That'll help.
Yes, naturally.
Get some sellers here on NQ.
So have we found, I understand you broke up with Celsius. Have we found a replacement yet?
We're on the coffee train.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm kind of...
Iced or hot?
Yeah. Oh, hot. 100%.
Okay, thank
I
you.
don't... No, we're not... Listen, we're not going to talk about iced coffee.
that my wife and I get into that discussion all the time because I refuse to drink iced coffee. She refuses to drink hot coffee.
No. See, iced coffee it's not... It should have never become a thing.
Yeah.
Ever.
Well, but somehow on this show we keep getting on ketchup on steak too. So
Chat, if you talk about if you like iced coffee, just consider yourself banned.
In fact, that should be a question before we do giveaways.
Yeah, we'll go on a banning streak here.
Boy, really nice rounding top pattern potentially developing on the NQ here. And
Yeah.
we just locked in that candle. That is pretty. So naturally now it's going to go to highs.
Yeah, 100%.
So how do you typically, are you like me? Do you sort of try to ease in a little bit to a new trading year, or is it just another day?
I think generally it's another day, but I think my situation is a little different just because I'm treating it, or I'll say I'm treating it differently, because I have been on such a large winning streak that I am taking, profits a little bit quicker, not out of emotion, but more so just protecting my gains.
Okay.
I'm not trying to. I'm trying to play a little bit more defense, so to speak, because I know a red day is eventually coming, and I'm just trying to prepare for it. And so I think that's really how I'm treating my trading now, is just a little bit more in defense mode.
Okay.
Just to protect the profits.
So can we expect when you finally have a red day, which I assume will come like maybe October, November or so, can we expect some sort of like rage bait video where you're just like smashing everything in your office and like you put a hole in the yacht and watch it sink, and just, can we get like a total meltdown even if it's just bacon for clicks?
You might get something.
Guess they should have just added.
For the first red day. Yeah, I don't know. We'll put something together.
Okay. All right.
Or I could just, hide it and not be transparent at all.
You just, yeah, you don't even change the color, like the red. You just like Photoshop a little plus sign in where the minus is, and,
Yep.
and take away the brackets or whatever. Yeah, that would be par for the course in this business, unfortunately. But yeah, it's, it was interesting. I was kind of thinking about this a little bit last night. I was just kind of sitting on the couch, just kind of thinking about the business and all that. And I think you and I are pretty aligned on this, but I think it's still important in that I think we're starting to see a little bit of I'm trying to think of the right word, a realization on the part of a lot of traders coming into the space now, because how big the space has gotten the last 3 or 4 years has been ridiculous with all the prop firms and all the new influencers and all that. But that I think we're still in the era right now where people that yell the loudest seem to get the most views, right? But I think we're moving out of that. And because I think we're starting to see the very beginning signs of people starting to understand what, who, and where is actually going to help them make money.
Yeah.
All
There's
right,
nothing
come
wrong
on,
with people
come
out
on,
there that want to
come
plug
on,
their indicators.
come
There's
on.
nothing wrong with people out there working as affiliate. Got zero problem with any of that. There's just as many honest people in that as there are dishonest in other fields as well. But to me, I feel like we're starting to see that sea change, or maybe just the tide is just coming in just a little bit. And I really think we're going to get to the end of 2026, and people that are coming into the space, and more importantly, the people that have already been in this space, are going to really understand what it takes to be successful. And it's not somebody screaming into a camera and giving them free trades that may or may not be real, may or may not be in an actual account, and may or may not be on a 30-second lag. So yeah. I'm curious if you're starting to see a little bit of that as well.
No, it's funny you said that, because I actually I had this conversation it was a couple of days ago, actually. I think people do enjoy the entertainment side of trading, but I think at the end of the day, people want to make money, right? They realize they're getting in trading to make money and not to be entertained, so to speak. So I think people are going to be moving out of people who are just on for entertainment into people who are here to actually make money and to help you make money, and to where you can actually learn how to make money in trading, right? Because that's why people are getting into trading to begin with, right? And so if they're not making money, then obviously I think they're going to make a change. So I think there's going to be a shift from entertainment to value, and I really do see that coming more into play, and more informational creators, so to speak, versus entertainer creators, if that makes sense.
Yeah, and we're seeing, I know, what did I see? I think the other day that, like, some of the average age of the traders coming into some of these firms is like mid-20s, right? And I think those people are at both a severe advantage and disadvantage for a couple of reasons. And I think the advantage is they don't have a lot of these preconceived notions of, either they haven't worked many jobs or very few, or they're just getting out of school or going to trade, whatever. They're doing what they do. They don't have 20, 30 years of history of understanding, again, Mark Douglas's whole spiel at the beginning of the Disciplined Trader is talking about how we have this linear relationship in our head of time versus money, right? Like I'm sure it's, you've worked other jobs in your life, whether they're hourly, salaried, whatever, where time equals money. If you're working a $20 an hour job, you work 10 hours before taxes, it's $200, right? It's a very simple math. It's very easy to understand. And we get this ingrained in our head, whereas trading's not like that. Trading, you and I have both been in situations where we've made or lost thousands of dollars in a matter of minutes. And so there's that. And you can work for 10 minutes in trading and make $5,000 with the amount of weight. You can sit all day at your screen and lose money. So that they have that advantage, but they also, I think, have the disadvantage where,
All right. Let's
and
break underneath. Come on.
you're kind of on in sort of the middle age there, where I think people above you are a little closer to me in terms of how they've got into trading and consumed the media into trading versus younger than you, where they've come in almost exclusively on YouTube and those creators that create the controversy and create the.
We're hoping for some downside here. I don't know if we're gonna get any.
Whatever, but I think that's the group that's really going to lead the charge into, like you said,
Looks a little scary right now.
Yeah, 100%. Yep, definitely agree there. Definitely agree. I think that's what people need too. Like Joey's middle-aged. I heard that. I was like, did he just call me middle-aged?
I'm middle-aged between that. I'm middle-aged. Joey's still a young buck.
What was I saying? Oh yeah. I just think value. I think you're gonna see more value.
Crap.
Creators. I would think so. I mean, I think entertainment's gonna always be here. I mean, people are always gonna want to be entertained. But I think if people find creators that can entertain but also help them excel in trading is where I think most people are gonna go.
Yeah. Somebody asked me the other day. I had a client I worked with very briefly before I left the paid space and came over here, and actually made a really interesting point, because and you and I've talked about this. We joke, buy my course and all that stuff, and by no means are we saying any or sort of paid education is bad, but there's just as much garbage in that space as there is in the free space, probably more in a lot of situations.
Yeah.
However, somebody brought up a really good point. They said, going forward, the only paid education I'm ever going to pay for is what, I don't care if it's a room or whatever, is something that is month-to-month subscription based. And I said, well, why is that? I said, because they need to keep earning my business. If I pay, we joke, the $5,000 or $10,000 for, like, that money gone, right? Like, I better hope I get value out of that. Whereas with like an indicator,
Not looking good. We've got one more sell order up there.
Indicator and trading view, and like I always say, make sure you do a month-to-month thing before you do any annual. Make sure you use it, you like it, whatever. But I've just been obsessed, I think, with this over the past like 3 or 4 months with like
We
how
watched orders get pulled.
and so that was a point that stuck out to me.
It's like they were trying to pull some of those orders up.
I joke about it. The paid course model is dead, and rest in piss as far as I'm concerned with a lot of that. I say as somebody who was in that space for a time. But yeah, guys, whether it's something free like
All right, let's hope for a push down here.
Or I think
Let us go. Let us go.
Keep coming back, and the same for, again, whether it's a mentorship or a live room or whatever. So that as you get into that space, and if you're new in that space, make sure you're in a situation where somebody has to continuously prove their worth to you, because I think that's something that as the space moves forward and as more and more creators and teachers and stuff move into it, I think that's going to be something that's very important in 2026.
Yep, 100%.
Here we go.
So since I haven't had a red
Let
day,
this be the
I'll
push
go over
down.
and sell a $5,000, $10,000, actually
Down to point of
$10,000
control. Let's go.
Yeah, I mean, are you even going to make money at that level? I'm
probably
thinking 50. I'm thinking 50K
I want to see it.
minimum.
I want to see it.
like that, yeah.
Let's go.
That's good.
Let's go.
It also goes to something
Best viewers.
before, but I think it's a really good
Best viewers, eh?
just want to chop us to
Everybody has
shit.
the best viewers, right?
You come on and the market
Is
actually
that what we're talking about here? Everybody's got good and the best viewers ever in the world.
It can't be my fault.
Are we
right?
bringing back the barcode, Joey?
Barcode Joey? Yeah.
Okay, now it's underneath here.
But,
I want to see it
listen, we
stay underneath.
trade here,
We
and
do
I
see on the minute
talk out of
the converging of, again,
that's fun. Like we
the 9 and 21.
more value in you guys, whether we're winning or losing, watching us and how we manage.
This did break underneath, so we're hoping that it breaks underneath even more.
We're still at the year the chat a couple days. I just want to copy a trade. Well, there's a lot that goes into that, and understanding your personal process, which, Joey, you and I trade very.
I like how hard the push downs are.
So
Makes me feel like they're pushing down.
In that, if you're just seeking something out just to copy a trade, you're not going to get very far in this business.
Yeah, 100%. On a real note, though, what happened to the market?
No, legitimately, you came on and it sucked. I'm only half kidding. Like I'm about to boot. No, I'm not going to boot you. But that's.
I mean, it just like came to a halt, bro. Like nothing's happening.
Well, this is what happened yesterday. We had like the opening couple of candles, and then the market makers were like, "Just kidding. We're going to take the rest of the fucking day off."
Crazy.
Well, we need to see a really big push down now.
Look at news. See if we got.
Let's go.
I think maybe the market's waiting.
Let's go.
Yeah, Mr. Jinsky, I agree with what you're saying in principle. Can a coach, guru, teacher show a personal broker statement? But I cannot tell you how easy those are to manipulate. So you can see something that appears to be 100%, especially in the AI era. I'm only what do they say? Trust nothing. Don't trust anything you hear, and only half of what you see in this business. And I will tell you this. I said this. I was talking about this yesterday because I was by myself and the markets were shit. That's a lot of fun. But anyway. There was a guy that one of the first, this was sort of before, the kind of the creator model that we go into now, but there was a trader that I subscribed to his room, and I sat there and watched this dude just bank every single day, but could not describe what he did or how he did it to save his life. Great teacher or great trader, horrible teacher. And that's something as well. So yeah, I agree. And I see that online all the time. Well, just everyone needs to publish. I get that, and I don't disagree with that. And somebody who trades live for free in front of you every day, can build up some equity over time. But guys, all that stuff can be manipulated. And just because somebody is a successful trader doesn't mean they can help you become a successful trader. I said as we were just starting this show, Joey, where it's like, I do not envy people just getting into the space now, because there's never been more great free and low cost content out there, and it's never been harder to find.
Yeah, 100%.
What did you fucking do to these markets, dude?
Yeah, I don't know.
Got a couple minutes left, guys. Couple minutes left.
Being at 9.
Before we have to run, let's get positive. Let's get positive, folks.
Tomorrow could get a little spicy.
Well, tomorrow could get spicy, and Friday's going to get spicy. We got some fun data on Friday.
Yeah.
I think this is our first non-farm since the shutdown that's like when it's supposed to be and on time. So,
dude, tomorrow we got jolts. I could inject a ADP, jolts, some PMI. Be a little volatility tomorrow.
Are you old enough to have had a jolt cola back in the day?
No.
That sounds like right up your alley based on the stuff I've seen you drink before. No, it was basically like I think it was when I was in middle school and high school.
Come on, man.
But it was like they advertised it was because there had been some big study on like Mountain Dew and how much caffeine used to be in it or is in it. I don't know. I haven't had Mountain Dew in years. But Jolt specifically came out and marketed themselves as 4 times the caffeine of a Mountain Dew. Yeah,
Wow.
So yeah, can you imagine a bunch of like middle school kids all hopped up on like 4 or 5 Mountain Dews? Yeah, there's no wonder it went off the shelves very quickly.
My dad used to be like a major Mountain Dew drinker. I mean, he would like go through like 4 a day.
That's a lot.
I mean, that's what that dude drank, dude. I mean, he was like just die hard Mountain Dew. Like wake up in the morning, first thing Mountain Dew.
Yeah, I see Barker Baker. I had Jolt. That shit was amazing. Hey, it's Swiss Nick in the chat.
Nick,
man, I saw where you're at, man. What the hell are you doing on this chat? Get your ass off and go lay on that fucking beach or water again, man. That's crazy.
I know, dude. Did everybody just leave you? What happened?
They did. I have that effect on people. What can I say?
They're holding.
I looked at that vacation schedule a couple weeks ago. I'm like, I'm sorry, what now?
It is scary.
I thought about putting it for PTO just to see if they would approve it. But no, it's no. I mean, it's it's a little quiet around here this week, but it's all right. It's all right. I get to spar with the chat. I know you're quite familiar with
chat on the London stream with Nick and Celine.
Okay.
And hung out for a bit. It's first time in the London chat.
Yeah, I'll have to go. I'll have
All
to
right,
do
they
that.
pulled those orders.
Usually if I'm waking up in the middle of the night to hit the restroom or something, it's usually before or after that stream. It's usually not right in the middle. So, and you get into that. I get up at 5, so you get into that 2:30, 3 o'clock. If you wake up and get up, like half the time, I'm just up at that point. So
Yeah.
Very warm. All right. Well, Nick, thanks for stopping in. Yeah, you gotta. It's night now. That's awesome, man. Hope it's beautiful there.
Where's Nick at?
The Maldives, I believe.
Ooh, Maldives. Where's my invite, bro?
We went there with his girlfriend, so it's not like it's a dude's trip or anything.
I'll third wheel.
Yeah.
I'll give you guys your space.
Ozampic, he's in the Maldives, you're in the Baltic. Yeah, boo. Boo.
Speaking of Matt, I'll actually be in St. Louis this week.
Really? What are you doing?
I won't say.
They
But,
filled
I
all
will
of
be in
those
St. Louis.
orders.
What's in St. Louis?
Really
Does your
makes
wife
me
make
think
you go
that
to
they
St. Louis
are
No,
Okay.
no. I legit, I can't say it.
selling.
But I will be in St. Louis Wednesday through Friday.
Okay. Doobie-doobie-doo. I mean, are you busy the whole time, or what do you do?
No, not. Let's see. I won't be busy Wednesday evening when I'm there. Thursday I will be might be free Thursday evening. Wednesday evening.
So you're competing in the figure skating championship. Okay, that makes sense now. I got you. Okay,
Yeah. Wednesday evening / night I won't be as busy. That's mainly my free time there.
You picked the one night I'm busy. I appreciate that.
Not bad. I could squeeze something like Thursday night.
All right, we'll see. I got to check my calendar and talk it over with my scheduler.
Just get your people in touch with my people. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
All the main orders are gone. There's a few more above, but they have been purchased.
Right now, I'm really curious.
They have been field purchased.
Something here and let me know, because I'm like legit curious now. Because it's January in St. Louis. Other than hockey, there ain't shit going on in the city. So, but I'm just running with you're competing in the figure skating championship.
That'll
So,
work. That'll work. No.
I don't know how bald guys can pull. I mean, your head's gonna stick out even more in that like little spandex all the dudes wear. So it's
Yo, the market is still hanging out in the same spot as like an hour ago.
yeah, like I don't want to blame you, but I mean we were moving. You show up. I'm not saying. I'm just saying.
I mean, to be fair, the moment I hopped in, it really did start going sideways.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we were talking about this yesterday too. In that, I did expect yesterday to be a lot better price action. Now today we had the move up to start with, and we'll see where we go from here. But honestly, I guess when you really break it down, it's not the most surprising, right? We've got this Venezuela stuff, which means there's a lot of things up in the air. Now that's going to affect oil more than anything, but it's going to affect the markets. And you talk about the oil companies, the big money companies are going to be dealing with whatever happens down there. And we're still a little bit in the we don't know what's coming next stage. And then we've got a slew of economic data coming later in the week.
Come on.
So if the markets went a little bit to a wait and see kind of mode, it would not have shocked me. But that doesn't mean it's any less it's not disappointing.
Yeah. G-Man says, always happens when Joey is streaming, and then he logs off and boom, the market moves. That is actual facts.
Let's go. Let's see what happens.
Like, when I'm
We really do got to go after this.
Will go sideways, and then literally like 9
and what's been interesting over the past 3 or 4 months, and again, this is, obviously your streak is extremely impressive, and I think this makes it even more impressive, is that we haven't really gotten more than 2 or 3 like certain kind of days in a row. Like typically days like yesterday and days like today, they do clump up, right? You'll see 2, 3, 4 days in a row where there's just not great price action. Then maybe we'll have 3 or 4 where there's some fantastic price action. There's been no rhyme or reason to it over the past couple of months. We've had like choppy day, then trend day, choppy day, trend, like it'll go back and forth almost every other day, and then it'll go a full week of trend, full week of it's been, and I get that a lot of that has been just the sort of the we had the shutdown, and there's just been a lot of chaos over the past few months in the markets and with everything. But it makes it so damn hard to get on a good streak, which is again why yours is that impressive.
Yeah, it's got to be definitely extra picky. I mean, there's been, and I have been. I mean, you could look at my calendar, and there's a whole week where I didn't trade my personal account, right? And so, just picking the days that are good and present the opportunity that I want to see. But I mean, I think even November had like a week and a half or so to where I didn't touch my personal account, but I traded the other like 3 weeks or 2.5 weeks. So yeah, it's definitely.
All right, I need this down push.
I am getting a little bit more convinced of us topping here, because the market has, even though it's been slow, we've been trying to push up and constantly make session highs, but we keep rejecting it. So we are kind of trying to roll here. So I'm getting a little bit more convinced of sellers stepping in, but it's not the best PA.
No, it's not. No, it's again, we've been kind of at these range highs for some time, and we're close enough to 800. If we can't make a run at it, then yeah, we're gonna pull back quite a bit, I think.
Without the other stuff. Joey, you seeing anything in the market today? I see it's crawling at a turtle's pace. That's it. I don't see anything that screams take a trade, to be honest. Like I said, I see sellers possibly stepping up here, but it's not something I'm willing to take.
Yeah, my goodness, straight dookie.
Come on, drop down.
Oil had a decent run for a bit there. No, the indexes can just kiss my ass right now, though. Good lord.
I like what that looks like.
I feel like I'd heard Barcode Joey before, but we hadn't really gotten there for a while. So I guess that is applicable.
So you feel like you've heard that before?
I feel like you had said that in the past before, but we hadn't really gotten into it because we've gotten good price action.
Oh yeah.
And again, you've been killing it on the personal, so it's we need shirts for that.
I think somebody in the chat called me Barcode Joey.
Okay. I feel like you're missing a merch opportunity there.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Right here. Punch down.
Anybody in the chat has any other nicknames for Joe? No, I'm kidding. That could get dangerous very quickly. I'm gonna start banning people.
Yeah, chat won't fight, bro. Listen.
Don't like how perfectly GC rejected the daily fib level. Yeah, well. My goodness. I said this week, Joey, I was sitting Sunday night. I was sitting down here. Sunday night I come down. I'll pull up all my charts and just kind of look a little at the action, and I'll kind of prep for the week and look at the, just get some stuff on my notepad, things to talk about, all that. And I remember I'm just looking at stuff, and I was like, all right, I know we got some guests. We got Joey on Tuesday. Just give me some tradable markets this week. Just don't chop me to shit. And sure enough, that's it.
What happened to gold? Gold just saw some sellers.
Yeah, gold is and my
Come on.
app was spouting off a lot of alerts, so I shut it down.
Come on.
So it wouldn't overshadow us. But I
Break down.
Yeah. If we go to an hourly on
I don't have
gold
time
as
for
well,
this,
guys,
man. Let's go. Let's go.
the hourly kind of
Break
makes sense
down.
if you look at it because it's basically
I got super focused. All right, so what we're hoping here is that at least we break down into this next support zone. That we also break down into this next support zone. If we break down underneath here, I'm going to be holding on to this right above that, dropping this in, and hoping we can at least pull 2 of those contracts out. Here we go. That's what we're hoping for.
We got a really nice run down here, and then the gap up. It's been mostly just kind of chop and weird candle wicks. And as I said in the
as soon as it breaks the line, this line right here at 40,
on a zone of consolidation,
I will be letting go of this.
That almost guarantees, again, nothing's 100%, that the first break move is going to be a false
Down. Come on.
Right? When you have that much
Let's go.
consolidation, they're
Let's
going
go.
to try to suck in the bulls.
Let's go.
Like dumb money. The smart money's going to go after the dumb money in those situations, and it looks like
Let's
that's
go.
exactly
Come on,
what
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Break underneath
Joey,
the
personal account,
the
do you
line.
trade on the micro
Break
or
underneath the line.
So I started
You could
with
do it.
micros just to build
You
up
could
some
do it.
cushion
Come on.
to take it slowly.
Here goes.
Since I've built up my account,
Underneath.
moved to minis.
Underneath.
But I
Underneath.
always encourage micros.
Underneath the
I'm
line.
a huge fan of micros.
There it is.
But I would definitely start there.
Yeah, I really, if I could, I mean, when I'm fully take over the world, there's a few things in the trading.
Break
world
the
that I'm gonna
support.
change. The first.
Break the
is gonna be,
support.
well, actually, there's a lot. I really can't rank them. But one of them is going to be in your first year of trading, you trade nothing but micros.
Yeah.
I really think that one change, because everyone's, I say there's not one thing that's gonna change you as a trader. But honestly, if there was one thing that I could point to, because everybody's going to go through take their lumps in terms of finding strategies. They could have a strategy that works for you or for me that doesn't work for them, or they're just they're going to buy into some bullshit, like of some of the people we were talking about earlier. But just trading micros, and specifically like 5 micros or less for your whole first year of trading, I think would really help a lot of traders to. It would definitely help them not to tilt.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that one chain is going to make them profitable, but it would really help them manage their emotions in that first year, which is something we all just really, really struggle with.
Yeah, I started off trading 3 to 5 micros in my personal.
We're on our best behavior. Schrodinger, you're never on your best behavior, man. Come on. Trunk, I don't trade the golden pocket. That's Brett's baby, and I know Nick uses it quite a bit. So when Nick's back next week, maybe ask him to break that down.
I'm not a golden pocket expert.
Might piss the gamblers off.
Probably should have held in
If you're gambling, you're not.
or done this, when we were positive for the day.
And obviously, I know, as you know, we joked about this a couple weeks ago. Sports betting's now legal in Missouri. So all the gas stations on the border here in Illinois that people would drive over to get a coffee.
All right, guys, we do gotta go. Peace. All the loves.
But those apps are just so. It's interesting. I read a great article about how they know within like the first 3 or 4 bets somebody places if they're going to be like what kind of customer they're going to be.
I don't really think of that, but it is what it is.
Go in and if you bet like some obscure, like D2 women's college.
We do have to go.
Like they can ban you within like a few days from using their app, because they've realized at that point you're
Oh,
smart and
it's flowing hard.
Lose money on you, so they'll ban you, and they're well within the terms of service.
Definitely should have stayed in.
Again, trading's not like that, guys. And yes, you can bring a gambler's mindset into trading, and you can lose just as much money. I always say if that's your mentality, if you're trading without setups, you're just trying to market go up, buy, market go down, sell. Take all the money you're going to spend on accounts and just like go to Vegas, because at least you'll have some fun. You'll get some free drinks while you piss your money away. Go see a show, so at least you have something to remember besides losing all your money at the tables. But like that, it's so easy for people to lump those together, but none of them see the process in the 2 to 3 years minimum that somebody will learn to really start to understand the markets and get good at this business.
Yeah, Chad, if you go to Vegas, take me with you.
Vegas is expensive now. Like
Dude,
it was not. I went. I was at the company I was with at the time. We had a big presentation at Traders Expo. This was like 2017. And I remember going there, and when I got back, I was like, oh, I had a pretty good time. Maybe I'll go back at some point. I remember looking at hotels, and you know, you can get a nice hotel. You used to be able to get a nice hotel room for like $100 because they figure you're gonna go blow money gambling, right? And you know, if you Caesars will give you $100, you know, a room for $100 because they want you to drop 1,000 in the casino downstairs. And I didn't end up going. I got busy with other stuff. And then my wife and I were looking at going, like sometime like the beginning of this year to go see, you know, some of the concerts or something. She's a New Kids fan, so she grew up with them, so we were gonna go see them. And I'm looking at hotel rooms. It's like basic hotel rooms are $400 or $500. I'm like, what the actual fuck are they doing? Like, I mean, because like, I mean, sure, we could afford that very easily, but like, why? Why, you know, go pay $500 for a room you're not going to be in for, you know, I mean, maybe for an hour a day other than sleeping. So and then it's like, well, tourism is down 70% in Vegas. Well, no shit.
Yeah, that's why.
You know, I mean, I get there's people like us that maybe have a little more disposable income that if we really wanted to go, that's not going to affect it. But you know, if you know, us and people, you know, a little below us on the income like stop going, they're toast. You know, you think billionaires are going to Vegas? No, billionaires take their yacht off wherever the hell they all were for New Year's last week.
Yeah, it's interesting because I mean, you used to be able to get a hotel room there for cheap because they all they just wanted you to gamble there and spend your money, right? And so you could get a hotel room there for cheap, and then all of a sudden, you know, prices started skyrocketing, and there've been reports, and Vegas has been hurting. Yeah, like tourism has been down a lot.
Damn, I guess I should have stayed in. Anyways, we're down 2044 instead of 100.
The -1 standard deviation, and it's gone, and it's back up.
Tesla's getting some sellers here.
Is it?
So we're actually doing pretty good.
What do we got? It's a daily. Let's pull up an hourly of Tesla here.
But we do got to go.
Yeah, Tesla's been.
We're gonna drop that in.
Tesla's been an interesting. I don't look at the stocks as much as I used to, and that was kind of one of my New Year's resolutions to get a little more back into options. And I just decided one schizophrenic asset is enough, and so I just stick with the NQ.
Yeah.
Well, and the NQ reflects so much of Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, all that crap anyway. So it's. I mean, don't get me wrong. I see the value when people say, well, I look at the Nvidia chart to help me trade the NQ. I get that. I don't, but I get that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a KISS trader, keep it simple, stupid, right? And it all begins and ends with candlesticks for me, and everything else is, I use other things, but everything else is secondary. Every time
my camera.
And he's gone.
I knew it was going to happen, bro. Yeah. Hold on. I got a replacement battery. Let me see if that works.
Replacement battery? You don't have one of those little like fake battery kits you can put in and plug in?
No, I actually have one ordered though.
Okay, yeah, because that was a game. I have a little Canon thing that I use. It's just, you know, one of the and yeah, so it comes in a battery. And the first time I was streaming with it, the battery lasts like 45 minutes and then crapped out. So I had to and then I found the forum where somebody was. I mean, it's like a, you know, that's not officially supported and all that, so you got to be careful where you buy them, but. Yeah, it's like a battery pack. You plug it in, they clearly make the camera for these things because there's a little window to pull the cord out, and then you just plug it right in.
10:48.
Let's see if that stays on. Yeah, I accidentally left my camera on.
Damn, I should have just stayed in. We would have been so positive right here. We would be like in the hundreds and something. Anyways, we got to go for sure. Pushing that pot. Oh, man, there it goes. Now it goes.
Yeah.
Now it goes. We would be so close to passing if we just freaking left it in. Anyways, we do have to go because we're kind of late. Anyways, peace, loves, and